Hi guys! In this tutorial, you will know how to use ChatGPT for beginners. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a vast amount of data from the internet and can understand and generate human-like text. To interact with ChatGPT, you can simply type your question on chat box at the bottom. You can see a send a message, so you can just enter it and then formulate a question. Example, then press enter button at the bottom right corner, and it will then respond based on the context provided and its knowledge. Remember, ChatGPT may not have access to real-time data, so its responses are limited to what it has learned during its training. Feel free to experiment with different types of questions and topics. ChatGPT can talk about a wide range of subjects, so try asking about hobbies, history, science, or anything else you're curious about. Please remember that ChatGPT follows strict content guidelines. So that's how to use ChatGPT for beginners. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.